Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to copy an image from a PDF file to a Word document using Foxit PDF editor. I will copy this image. Click on this select arrow and select text and image option. Now click on this image and select. Now click right button for your mouse and this is copy option. Select copy. Now go to Word document and press Ctrl V for your keyboard and see this image now copy. Also I'll copy this image, select this selection option and click on this image and now click right on copy and press Ctrl and see this. In this way you can copy image, shape or other content from your PDF file to Word document. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.